No, intercept form. To find equation of a circle passing through origin and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. And we are having a figure here, a circle passing through the origin and making intercepts A and B on a x axis and y axis. No. Circle is passing through origin intersects x axis and y axis at a comma 0, as it is given A and B, and with B 0 comma B respectively. Join AB. C is the center of a circle as AB is diameter. Now, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Equation of a circle when end points of a diameter are given. X, now what was the equation? Let me write it first. X minus x1 with x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now this becomes x minus a with x minus 0 plus y minus 0 with y minus b is equal to 0. Here x1 is equal to a, y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to b. Required equation. Now required equation is x square plus y square minus ax minus b phi is equal to 0. So this is the required equation in the intercept form.